Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, November 19th. Forex Factory is up and running today, so that's a good thing. Looking at the calendar here, at 10 a.m., we have FOMC member Moran speaks, 10:30 crude oil inventory, 12:15 President Trump speaks. That's a orange item, could move the markets. At 12:45, FOMC member Barkin speaks. At 2 p.m., we have the FOMC meeting minutes, as well as FOMC member Williams speaking. So the minutes from the previous meeting will be a red item. So 2 p.m., watch out, hang on tight. I would be flat going into the 2 p.m. meeting. Just never know what's going to come out in the footnotes. So there you have it. That's what's going on today. Looking at the daily chart, you can see that yesterday we had a down day. That was the fourth day in a row. You remember the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So this could be a fifth day down, or it could not be. But the odds are good that after 4 days, the fifth day will be a down day just because the market loves that particular sequence. Where could we go? I think that low volume node at 65.79 is certainly within range, as well as the lows from October 10th, which would be 65.13. If we get some sort of bounce, we've got the 50-day moving average above. We've got a lot of overhead resistance, so not sure how it's going to jump back up. I think it'll slowly go back up, but is what it is. So that's what you got to work with. We had high volume yesterday. Very, very good volume. It's a little bit concerning, although that might suggest that the selling is finished. I can't say that for sure yet. Or is the selling just getting going? That's always the question. Looking at inventory. Inventory was negative on a negative price action day. However, what's interesting is that until the last hour, it was positive, although not by very much. So still some buy the dip people working very, very hard to keep this market sustained. We'll see if that holds out. We've talked about that quite a bit. Overnight action, approximately 55 points. 55 points, well above average. Where do we have support resistance? 6680. Resistance 6700, the whole number. Got a little bit 6720. I see a little bit of confluence, but not really. 6720, 6740. On support side, 6620, 66, a little bit of confluence around 6605. The 6600 is the big number. We get below 6600, look out below. Yeah, 6580, confluence around 6575. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, the VIX is now up to 24. So VIX being up at 24 is of interest anytime it gets above 20. So now we're entering into a potential fear zone. Yeah, above 24. I'd really like to see it go to 35 before it turns around and goes the other direction. But that is currently VIX at 24-ish. Okay. Stock Traders Almanac, 42.9. 42.9% chance the market will go up today. Negative bias from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.